Hey, I'm Casey from Mosaic. I'm going to show you how to create a waterfall revenue forecast by cohort in under 3 minutes. Let's take a look, starting with the total new ARR bookings forecast. This is my new ARR balance at a point in time, but I want to translate that into a monthly revenue forecast based on how and when I expect to accrue that revenue over the life of the contract. I'd also like to waterfall this calculation so I can see how each month's ARR cohort accrues over time. First, I'll jump up to my Index tab so I can build my ARR bookings to revenue waterfall schedule. All of my customer subscriptions are 12-month contracts. I'm going to enter 8.33% in each of the first 12 months of my waterfall schedule, which should add up to 100% over the full 12-month contract period. Now that we've created our schedule, let's flip back to Topline to set up our revenue waterfall. To configure the revenue waterfall, we're going to first select Waterfall Spread. Then we're going to update the row to total new ARR bookings. Let's connect it to the schedule we created. And then lastly, let's update the forecast period. Now I can see my revenue waterfall across time, broken out by the monthly ARR cohorts down the rows. For example, the July 2022 ARR cohort translated into just shy of $25,000 of revenue in each of the 12 months across the contract period. The August 2022 ARR cohort is just about $27,000 of revenue each month. The great thing here is not only was I able to build this entire model in seconds and run the calculations automatically, an exercise that honestly probably would have taken a few hours in Excel, but now I have this incredible granularity into how and when I can expect to generate revenue over the coming year. I can use these insights to potentially rethink billing terms such as payment dates and prepayment discounts. This can also help my business track to our quarterly revenue goals, accelerate cash collections, and optimize our cash flow. And that's how you create a revenue waterfall forecast by cohort in Mosaic in under 3 minutes.